everyone. This video actually is the purpose of this is to keep a record of what's going on, the progress of this orchid. This is from Lowe's actually. It's $13. I bought it for $13, and it's the Dendrobium spectabile, and you'll know it's Lowe's because it's from Better Grow. And here's the Better Grow paper that goes with it. So yeah, they also sell species orchid. So I took it out of the pot. The reason I did this is gonna be like an experimental trial and error kind of thing for the spectabile, because what happened is that the spectabile, a few of us, they grow well while in growing season. Winter it starts to rot actually. So this is what the media it comes with. So I took it out, and I soak it overnight. Really, it was not very dry, but I just wanna soak it. And this is rainwater. And then I put a solution, a little bit of a drop of here and a drop of this one. So yeah, I'm not afraid. The next day it looks good actually, and the roots are not soft. And because this plant, it's nature, they grow in mangroves in warm weather. So I think the reason why during winter it rotted because the roots got too dry, and by the time you water them, it's already died off, and the plant starts to, new growth starts to die. So anyway, yeah, so it's gonna be I'm gonna repot it in a media that's well drained, like in the mangrove, but then it kept its moisture as well. So yeah, so there's a new growth there. $13. So I'm not gonna cry over it if this doesn't pull through, but this gonna be an experiment for me. I'm learning how to take care of this spectabile. It's an alien orchid species flower that also has a fragrance, very pretty. So we'll see how this will come about. So this is yeah, just a recording. It's June 21st 2020. So, and then we'll see after that how the plant reacts to the trial and error. Okay guys, so here I put it, I put the orchid out of the water that it's been soaking with, the rainwater. So yeah, that's how they look, the roots look like. And this is the pot I'm gonna be using. It's already have drainage there, but it's like has a reservoir of water there a little bit when, if in case it dries up, but I'm okay with that because of the nature of the orchid, that it's in a swamp or mangrove, that's where it grows. And I use plastic so it can retain more moisture. And this is gonna be my media. This is has a medium bark and also a mixture of small bark. This white one is limestone, small limestone, and this one is river rock. And also I added ferns. Yeah, so there's also small, if I didn't mention it, small barks. So this is how it's gonna look like. So it can drain faster. It will retain some moisture, but then it drains faster as well. So it's like you're imagining you're in the near the river, or yeah, or kind of the beachy area where the water drains faster and yet it leaves it moist at the same time. So this is gonna be my media. So we'll do this. Line the bed of the pot first. Okay. Pull the plant out. Look at that. This one I might just leave it alone because the root already stuck through and through the styrofoam. But we'll put it here like that. So it looks like we'll do it this way. The new growth is coming on this side. It's gonna grow there on that side. So we'll put the media this way. I mean the orchid this way, so it's got more room to grow more new shoots here, new pseudobulbs. So we'll cover that one. So I like to do it while the media is dry, so it doesn't stick to your hands or gloves, and they glide easy. So you can fill out the space there. You just do like that. I probably need to make some more of my media. You fill out the gaps there. And easy repotting, you know, nothing to it. And I like the way the media looks. It's like there's white stuff in there. So yeah, I'm gonna do a more mixture of it. Okay, I run out. But this gives you an idea of how this Dendrobium spectabile is gonna be, what's gonna look like. Alright, I'll pause because I need to make some more media. So this is it, guys. This is done. So that's how it looked like. So, and then you water it. That's it. Yeah. And I probably would water it during its growing season 3 times a week. That's my plan. So we'll see how this grows. It looks like all the roots were healthy. So, and then during winter, I'm probably gonna still water them. Maybe twice a week instead of once a week. Just to keep the roots moist. And we'll see how this goes from there. Because I really feel like the roots got dried up. So during winter, when you start watering them, the new pseudobulbs just died off. Like it feels like it got overwatered. So we'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be an experiment anyway. So we'll see how this plant respond. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for follow up on this orchid. And thank you so much for watching. Bye now. So this is August now, 2020. I just wanna show you my old spectabile. before I started changing it because I feel like it's gonna die anyway if I don't do that. I mean, it's getting rain every day. If it rains every day and it's in a lava rock, but it's not how I wanted it to be. It's not going very well to me. What happened is that this um, I got this very healthy from a nursery. It's growing well during growing season in lava rock. The change was during winter, when I have to let them, all my orchids, let them dry before watering for longer periods, maybe a week. I water them once a week. That new growths starting to rot, or they die off. So, but I don't blame it from overwatering. Actually, I feel like it has been dry too long. The roots didn't make it, and when you water it, it looks like it's rotting. And it was exposed in a very cold temperature, even though I put them indoors, but still cold there in the patio. But not having water and cold, I think that's what happened to it. This is from the winter. See, it comes up very easy. This is not from this growing season. um, for those that are new to my channel or not very familiar with my channel, I grow my orchids outdoors, and but because here in Florida, where my area is, it get cold on winter, and especially at night and 3 hours in the morning, they drop below 50. So I end up putting the orchids indoors, the ones that are sensitive to colder temperatures. But the cymbidiums, the nobilis, they stay outside because they need to be in the cold temperature. Um, so I'm not gonna show you how my repotting about this, because it's gonna be the same as this one, but I have to change this anyway, or else it's gonna die when another winter comes. So I just want to show you this, since it's here outside, it's raining almost every day, and I don't think it's surviving, but I think I need to change the pot and the media and see what happens. So both of these plants will know if they survive the winter. To me, it's the winter that really gets them. And then so that way I know what makes this how to grow this kind of species. Very pretty, alien look, fragrant flower. I've seen other YouTube, they go well in the south of Florida where it's warmer. So, and they have a different media, not this lava rock. So we'll see how they fare. I'll be putting up a video follow up after winter maybe, and see and share with you how the plant is doing. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, um, hope you stay tuned for a follow up on this Dendrobium spectabile next year. I'm thinking next year. So thank you guys. Bye now.